Hi there, welcome to Practice Better. In this video, we will go over how to attach documents to your client's session notes. Let's go to the Notes section of your client's record. Once here, select the note. Click on the red Fast Action button in the bottom right-hand corner and select Attach Files. This will allow you to select a file from your computer's hard drive. If you shared the note with your client, by enabling the toggle next to the relevant text section and select the option to share notes and attach documents with my client, the attached document will be shared with your client. You can reference shared documents in a session note by selecting the Documents tab. Here you can delete any inapplicable documents. Once you're done, select Save to share your note. This concludes this video on attaching documents to a session note. Please reference our Help Center for more information and resources.